Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the Q4 result update of three companies. First is Usha Martin, then Shakti Pumps and Force Motors. I will cover Trent, of course, if time permits, Trent and KPIT Technologies. Otherwise, I'll cover it in the next videos. Okay. So the first company we'll be talking about is Usha Martin, right? So Usha Martin sells these hard wire ropes and wire strands, you call it. You would have seen in all these bridges, they would use a wire or not a wire, I would say a wire rope to connect, right? To connect from the highest point to the bridge, right? Those kind of wires, or the wire that is used in your seashore in the petrol industries, those for mining industries, these are these heavy duty wire ropes and wire strands. That is what they do. Okay. Now let us talk about the result. If you look at the entire result, right, Q4 का result, not just Q4 I'm talking about, Usha Martin was more of a turnaround story, right? क्योंकि अगर आप देखते हो 2021 2021 से कोविड से ऊपर आ रहा था, राइट, एंड उससे पहले तो बहुत धक्का खाया था इस कंपनी ने, राइट, डेट में था, उनका स्टील का बिजनेस अच्छा नहीं हो रहा था. देन आफ्टर दैट टर्न अराउंड हैपन क्योंकि दे सोल्ड ऑफ द स्टील का बिजनेस, वहाँ पे डाइवेस्टमेंट हुआ, राइट, एंड दीज पीपल हैड अ ग्रोथ प्लान कि लाइक पहले इसको हटाओ, स्टील को बिजनेस को हटाओ, सेपरेट कर दो, उसके बाद हाउ डू वी इंक्रीज उषा मार्टिन का ग्रोथ, राइट. That started happening. They had a very detailed plan, capex ka baat hua tha and everything, right? And of course growth was there. I wouldn't deny that there was growth for few quarters, for a year or so. But after that, what happened, you are seeing that for the last 3 quarters that there has been no growth. The top line has been really stagnant only, right? And I'm giving you actual facts क्योंकि अगर आप Q1 में देखते हो, Q1 में the top line, the sales on a year on year basis grew by 7%. Now we all thought what कि like अरे यार in सब companies को, if you take this Usha Martin, Bharat Wires, all these manufacturing companies, H2 is heavier than H1 because most of the work happens in this Q4 का quarter जो होता है, and especially in this April, May, June and all these months are where it is very heavy, right, in the beginning of the financial year, right? But unfortunately, even after H1, you see H2 has not caught up with that top line ka momentum, right? Because Q2 में it was -4%, Q3 में -3%. I'm talking about top line growth on a year-on-year basis, and abhi also in Q4 the top line on a year-on-year basis it is down by 3.4%, right? So overall you can tell कि like something is not working right for the company. That is one thing. अगर आप PAT का भी बारे में बात करते हो, at least all this while you saw कि like PAT में थोड़ा like PAT used to grow, although the top line didn't grow, PAT was growing because they were able to take the advantage of that falling raw material price, right? Because earlier they had increased the price and everything, so that falling raw material ka price they had took, and operating leverage was witnessed. But this quarter there is no operating leverage also, PAT is down. This is why I keep telling कि like always chase those company that has high top line growth अगर PAT भी नहीं होता, because ultimately operating leverage मिल जाएगा if they are in the growth phase. But if a company is not having the top line growth, sales ही नहीं करता है, तो profit मुनाफा कैसे करेगा, right? So that is the same thing. Now let's talk about वॉल्यूम्स में भी उतना खास नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ यू टॉक उनका अगर पूरा रेवेन्यू देखते हो, देर इज वायर रोप, वायर स्ट्रैंड एंड LRPC. वायर रोप कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स आई वुड से अराउंड 52%, वायर स्ट्रैंड अराउंड 18% एंड LRPC कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट्स अराउंड 30%. ठीक है, 52 या 55 द फर्स्ट वन. ठीक है, ये वायर रोप्स में थोड़ा इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है. आई थिंक द वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ हैज, ओवरऑल वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ तीनों मिला के इफ यू टेक द ओवरऑल कंसोलिडेटेड, दैट हैज हार्डली ग्रोन, आई थिंक बाय 1% अलोन. दैट इज इट. सो इट्स बीन वेरी मीडियोकर. Other than that, if you see, उनका volume growth has hardly been 1 point. Wire ropes का which contributes around 55%, it has been hardly 1.7%. The other two volume का degrowth हुआ है in both of this. So of course things are not looking good here. And another thing to note down is last time management ने बोला था इस LRPC में they're facing a lot of pressure because the abroad players that are there, the foreign players here, they are trying to push volumes by cutting down on price. So of course even these people to be competitive have to do so, and that is why this margins for LRPC is getting compressed. And even उनका LRPC में the value added products that are there such as galvanized and plasticated LRPC जो होता है, उसमें भी उन्होंने बोला था कि like demand के how we perceive the demand to be, we will scale up according to that only. So the fact that यहाँ पे value added products का भी उतना sale नहीं हुआ, and it just goes to show probably the demand is skewed and things are not going well, और LRPC का वजह से और भी issues ज़्यादा हो गया last quarter से. Another thing could also be कि like Red Sea crisis, right? Because a lot of companies that are doing export, वी हैव सीन कि लाइक जितने भी कंपनीज थे, लाइक लास्ट क्वार्टर उन्होंने बोला ये इसराइल हमस के वजह से, वॉर के वजह से रेड सी में बहुत सारे क्राइसिस हुए हैं, उसके वजह से शिपमेंट में डिले हो रहा है. हु नोस, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो देयर कुड हैव बीन फॉल इन रेवेन्यूज, राइट, बिकॉज उषा मार्टिन का 55% आता है एक्सपोर्ट से. बट हैविंग सेड दैट आई वुड से जब 3 क्वार्टर से इतना लाइक गंदा गंदा रिजल्ट कर रहा है, मतलब -3, -4% फ्लैट टॉप लाइन ग्रोथ, आई थिंक इट इज़ अ वेरी कॉज फॉर कंसर्न, स्पेशली व्हेन इट इज़ अ B2B cyclical business. Another thing to note down here is उनका एक केपेक्स था. दे हैड 3 phase केपेक्स. पहला फेज था रांची में एंड अदर वन वॉज इन थाईलैंड, phase 2. Phase 1 का रांची का capex, it was supposed to be up and running in Q4, which is again done accordingly, like it is commenced, and next quarter say full scale operation, they will start commencing the operations. So overall in that part it is good, but the lack of sales and the fall in volume becomes a cause of concern right now, right? So that is the thing. And I know a lot of people over here, especially when I discuss with Usha Martin, there are of course a lot of loyal fans, I don't deny that, but whenever I post about Usha Martin, I get a lot of shit in my DMs, and on the comments ke like, are you must be holding, because I do work P2P, because the only company in this segment is Bharat Wire and Rope, right? So of course I will compare it with BWR, and what are the facts, I will state those facts only na. And I have some few folks come under the post and be like, are you must be holding Bharat Wire Ropes, that's why you're like bashing Usha Martin. अरे भाई मैं तो फैक्ट्स ही बोल रही हूँ ना, जो मैनेजमेंट ने बोला है, जो इन्वेस्टर प्रेजेंटेशन में है, जो इनकम स्टेटमेंट में है, वही तो मैं बोलती हूँ. उसमें अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम है तो मोह माया, आई कांट हेल्प इट, राइट? एंड बाय द वे, एंड एवरीबडी एक्यूजेस me of like, like, you must be holding this. Bhai, first of all, I don't hold neither Usha Martin or Bharat Wire Ropes. Second, the other accusation I get is like, oh, Bharat Wire and Rope management must be paying you to talk shit about Usha Martin. I really wish, because I am doing this work for free of cost. I might as well get paid for this, at the end of the day. And mere paas wo, that movie na, that Akshay Kumar is there and he tells ki like, paisa hi paisa hota hai. I would have also been doing that. But anyways, that's that about Usha Martin. Nothing much to say. Let's go to Shakti Pumps. अगर आप शक्ति पंप्स का देखते हो, राइट, लाइक आई वुड से द रिजल्ट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड, बिकॉज लास्ट क्वार्टर उनको ऑर्डर बुक ही इतना लाइक फर्स्ट क्लास था, लाइक इट वाज ऑलरेडी देयर, बिकॉज see, let's just take 2 minutes to discuss Shakti Pumps ka business model. These people basically do solar powered pumps. Now what is a solar powered pumps? Usually आप जो pump डालते हो ना, जो water, from where you get the water, you use this IC engine where you put diesel and petrol and everything to get, to get the power running, and so that it can run the generator and get the water. Of course here the problem is what diesel and petrol becomes too expensive, it is not environmental friendly, so you get the solar powered pumps which uses the solar energy, to run your to generate the mechanical power, and then after that to give you the water. But the problem with the solar power pump is, the installation, the first time cost, the installation cost becomes extremely expensive. A lot of farmers do not have that kind of money and everything, so this is not perceived to be that popular, right? But the government has introduced a lot of schemes and everything, such as PM Kusum and other things, because of which the companies like Shakti Pumps get a lot of benefit. Now according to this, क्या होता है कि like अगर एक फार्मर जो है उसको ये लगाना होता है, ये शक्ति पंप को उसका फील्ड में या कुछ लगाना पड़ता है, then what he does is he will put up a quotation with the energy department, right, new renewable energy department, and he will pay 10% of the cost, ठीक है? Then this energy department will pay 30% of the cost. They will put a tender to the state government will put 60%, right? So वहाँ पे 100% का cost is covered, and they will reach this nodal agency will get like, इस farmer को ये solar power pump चाहिए, they will open the bidding process, okay? और जो भी बिडर जो लोएस्ट बिड करता है उसको ऑर्डर मिलता है, वो जाके फार्मर का वो फील्ड में जाके वो पावर पंप या सोलार पावर पंप इंस्टॉल करता है. द फार्मर विल गो सबमिट ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स टू दैट बैक टू दैट एजेंसी, एंड एजेंसी विल बी लाइक, दे विल डबल चेक लाइक, हाँ यहाँ पे पावर मतलब क्या पंप इंस्टॉल हो गया इस फार्मर का फील्ड में, एंड देन दे विल रिलीज द पेमेंट टू दिस कंपनीज लाइक शक्ति पंप हु हैज डन द जॉब, ठीक है? सो दिस इज मोर और लेस द बिजनेस मॉडल. एंड उनका अगर आप पूरा ऑर्डर बुक देखते हो फ्रॉम 2022 टू 2024 ऑन अ कंसोलिडेटेड बेसिस, इफ यू टेक 69% ऑफ द रेवेन्यू आता है गवर्नमेंट से, ठीक है? एंड देन द रेस्ट 20, आई वुड से 18 या 21% इज कमिंग फ्रॉम 69%, and then I would say 10% is coming from like OEMs and customers, like general big companies, and then the rest I would say 21% is coming from export maybe, various like governments, UAE ka government ho gaya, government of Uganda from where they've got the recent orders. These are the places where they get their revenue from, ठीक है? Now over last time also they had a very strong order book, इसलिए इस बार भी result has been very blockbuster, ठीक है. लाइक रेवेन्यू जो है दैट हैज़ इंक्रीज बाई 2.3x ऑन ईयर ऑन ईयर बेसिस, और आप क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर में भी देखते हो कि लाइक रेवेन्यू जो है बढ़ा है 22% से. अगर पैट का बात करते हो, पैट जो है 2 करोड़ था लास्ट टाइम सेम टाइम लास्ट ईयर Q4 में, अभी 90 करोड़ है, ठीक है. एंड लास्ट क्वार्टर था 45 करोड़ और इस साल इस Q4 में अभी है 90 करोड़. सो पैट भी डबल हो चुका है. और आप देख सकते हो लाइक दोनों चीज़ में आपका ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज है, मतलब आपका ईयर ऑन ईयर में भी ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज है एंड इवन ऑन अ QOQ बेसिस आपका ऑपरेटिंग लेवरेज है. इवन द EPS हैज ऑल्सो ग्रोन phenomenal, you know, like around 1.7 to 48.7. सो ओवरऑल ग्रेट. अगर आप देखते हो कि लाइक अभी भी उनका ऑर्डर बुक बहुत तगड़ा है. सो अराउंड 2400 करोड़ का ऑर्डर बुक है एंड या 2400 करोड़ का ऑर्डर बुक है एंड या and they also got an additional order book of 250 crores from Maharashtra government and Haryana government combined, right? So overall great things are going on. We'll have to just check on the con call and see what happens. एक और चीज़ मैं बात करना चाहती हूँ कि लाइक इन्होंने QIP किया in the recent Q4 में and they took around 200 crores from investors and they're planning to do more capex. See, one thing that irrespective of valuation or whatever, मार्केट को एक चीज़ अच्छा लगता है जब आप बोलते हो कि लाइक आप 1% से रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ करते हो पर उससे भी दुगना करते हो. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल शक्ति पंप्स ने बोला दैट वी विल ग्रो आवर रेवेन्यूज बाय 25% और आके करते कितना डबल करते हैं, राइट? उससे लाइक ईयर ऑन ईयर लाइक 2.3x करता है रेवेन्यू ग्रोथ ईयर ऑन ईयर. QOQ में ही 22% किया. तो मार्केट रियली व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन यू अंडर प्रॉमिस एंड ओवर डिलीवर, द मार्केट यूजुअली लाइक व्हाट हैपेंस इज दे अप्रिशिएट दिस काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट, राइट? ऑफ कोर्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यूएशन, like I always tell कि like see valuation first of all is subjective and the other thing is like as long as you know the pace of growth remains in that business, you're going to do well. And the minute that pace of growth in the business goes, like, you know, it's like riding a tiger, like you know, the stock also falls. Now the last thing I would say is Force Motors. I would say in Force Motors, right, of course the result has been great. Top line has grown by 34% अगर आप देखते हो year on year में. And even profits में थोड़ा problem हो गया. The operating leverage is not there this time, right? I think see Force Motors, I think everybody knows, right? एक तो गाड़ी बेचता है and दूसरा they have this thing where they're working with the OEMs also. So I believe Force Motors, I would just share my personal experience with you because I think probably a lot of y'all would also do the same mistake that I did. I'll just share my journey with Force Motors, okay? What has happened? So I would say this was around, I think 2022, that financial year, probably Q3 of 2023. Like by that time, you know, it was very undervalued. I think at that time the stock was probably like $1,200 or something, and they were doing really good. That your month on month data जो था वो that was extremely good. ठीक है, every time it was increasing both month on month and year on year and everything. So of course natural thing is like जब ये auto cycle turn हो रहा है from a negative, from like a down cycle to up cycle, and when monthly sales are going to be better and better, then of course you would think like अरे ये तो loss से profit होने वाला है. But unfortunately जब वो Q3 का result है, I think it is Q3, I could be missing the quarter here. Q3 का result it was a loss making. I was like, oh shit, and then I had to sell the business because there I had a huge allocation. It was around north of 15% allocation and I couldn't take that risk with such a big capital. So I immediately like churned and I went somewhere else because I got scared, right? I still continued to track and again month on month everything was good. And in Q4 it was like boom, like good, you know, like again I think they turned from loss making to profit, okay? And at that time luckily I think my stars aligned and Metro Brands, which I was holding back then, again no recommendation for buy or sell, at that time the pace of growth for Metro Brands came down. Like I really admire Metro Brands Limited ka management. I absolutely have a lot of love for, I would say, Nissan Joseph because he's so charismatic and I really like the way he conducts himself in the con call, okay? But again, like everything, I do not have any emotional attachment to the business. I sold that. I think I sold that and I have a high churn portfolio also, and I got into Force Motors, like okay, and then of course things went well with Force Motors and everything. But I would say I probably exited too early. I think at the range of like probably like when it was 4,500, 5,000, that's the time I exited. So it was like a 3.5x, 4x. Probably if I kept it by now, it would have been God knows what. And I think it would have probably been my first like 7, 8x, God knows. I don't even know what the price it's trading at. The reason was that I was like you know, how much more can Force Motors do? I only assumed कि like, you know, कि like अरे ये तो इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकता, एक छोटा कंपनी है कितना ही कर सकता है, इतना already by at that time that crossed the previous year का highest monthly sales data also. I was like इससे ज़्यादा क्या ही कर सकता है. So I bought onto this my own bias कि like you know like ये this can't do more than this. And the other thing I was like previous cycle में तो इतना ही किया था, इस cycle में भी इतना ही किया. And I decided the holding period of the stock कि like that is the biggest mistake I did कि like अरे ये तो already cross हो गया इस price में and you know इसका तो खेल खत्म हो गया. And I shifted from there to Angel One at that time. ठीक है. Again I do not have any regrets. Like right now if you ask me like at that time even if you give me the same situation right now I would have probably still switched to Angel One only because but right now again hindsight bias because you're looking at the price of the stock and everything you have this hindsight bias ki like you know like oh you know you would have taken a different decision but I wouldn't say that's the case. This is why I keep telling ki like you cannot decide ki like aapka holding period of the stock kya hai. I would say my biggest lesson from here is you will never decide ki like ye is business ka like highest revenue hoga isse zyada ye kuch nahi kar sakta. That is the biggest mistake I did probably with Force Motors. You have to let the numbers come next quarter. You have to और एक चीज़ है कि like Force Motors तो कौन कॉल नहीं करता है right. So I assume कि like अरे ये तो इसका फाइनल है इससे ज़्यादा ये नहीं कर सकता. So I would say wait always for the next quarter या the next year or whatsoever the thing is and let the management come out with the numbers. Let the management come out with the con call and tell कि like यही उनका like probably demand में कुछ problem आ रहा है, they can't do more or anything and then you will do. I fell prey, I would say this was back 2023, I fell prey for this and I was the one who like I assumed कि like अरे इसका तो इतना ही रेवेन्यू कर सकते इससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते. सो दैट इज़ वाई ऑलवेज कीप टेलिंग यू ऑल अपना होल्डिंग पीरियड डिसाइड मत करो. लेट द मैनेजमेंट कम, लेट द मैनेजमेंट गिव आउट द numbers and then do. But having said that, like I told you, I think probably even if given the same opportunity I would still switch to Angel One. But again my hindsight bias, right, as human I'm also human, I'm also prone to do mistakes and everything. Even I have my own biases that I fall prey to and you're always constantly learning. I would say this is one thing that Force Motors has taught me. And that's my journey with Force Motors. But but luckily when Angel One worked out, so no regrets again there also. But अभी भी जो भी बोलो मैं भी एक इंसान हूँ. जब मैं देखती हूँ कि like 5,000 से अभी भी 9,000 में चल गया है कि like थोड़ा तो चुकता है ना जो भी बोलो at the end of the day because you will be like I think that's how the brain is कि like आपको you won't feel happy आपने like से 1 रुपये से आपने 3 रुपये या 3.5 रुपये बनाया. You won't care about that. You will feel even sad thinking that अरे ये जो 3.5 रुपये था वो 10 भी हो सकता था पर हमने तो छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे. I think that pain is way more than what you gain, right? So I think that is the mindset I probably have even right now. But overall everything is a learning right in the market and you still have the fact that I track so much we still always will have opportunities coming and going and coming and going, so absolutely no problem. I don't think I'll be able to cover trend and KPIT technologies in this video. I will cover it in the next subsequent video and that's it for today. Bye.